Initial pilots of the CS-DCC, including the GitHub-based schema library and the Genovalia data catalog, provided an early framework for aggregating and presenting ICT outputs such as metadata and schemas. Building on this foundation, the CS-DCC is now developing an expanded ContextHub cataloging platform. This catalog serves as a centralized space for capturing and organizing information about our collaborators across ICT member projects. It enables us to document which projects are included, along with their associated outputs. For example, within the NDGP team, users can view key project details such as project leads, participating institutions, and descriptions alongside all related outputs. This catalog also features a dynamic graph view, allowing users to explore relationships between different objects and to better understand how they connect within the broader ecosystem. Importantly, the catalog does not store research data itself. Instead, it aggregates metadata about externally hosted datasets and makes this information searchable. The metadata follows globally recognized standards including RAID, ROR, ORCID, and DCAT, ensuring it is ready for interoperability and federation with other repositories. This standards-based structured approach also makes the catalog AI-ready, meaning the information it contains can be readily used by machine learning and artificial intelligence systems for discovery, integration, and advanced analysis. Users can also explore information at a deeper level. By selecting a schema, for example, they can access detailed information about its attributes, related entities, and any associated downloadable files. What makes this catalog particularly powerful is that it goes beyond traditional cataloging. This is a context-aware catalog. It not only stores information, but understands the structure and meaning behind it. For instance, when a schema is added, ContextHub recognizes it not just as a data schema used to describe dataset features, but also identifies the variables it contains. This level of awareness allows users to gain deeper insights into the types of objects being added and to explore them more meaningfully. For example, users will be able to query variables within schemas directly from the catalog, enabling a far more granular and insightful level of discovery. In short, ContextHub transforms cataloging into a smarter, context-aware system, enabling deeper discovery, stronger collaboration, and unlocking the full value of ICT outputs.